breaking news. President Cyril Ramaphosa is not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere, not anytime soon, because he has dared the whole country and said to us, if there's anyone that can make him resign, they can come forward and make him resign. Because at the moment, I don't even think that he has a successor within the ANC. Think about it. Who is equal or more powerful than Ramaphosa within the ANC? Because before Jacob Zuma, before Thabo Mbeki, before Nelson Mandela, you would have an argument that Ramaphosa is not the most powerful person. And that's the thing. Let's go back to the past, because there's something that Nelson Mandela said in his book, Dare Not Linger. Out of all the people that were, they planned for them to be president, because so far we don't know anyone that passes Ramaphosa. So Nelson Mandela said that President Ramaphosa should be the last person to hold power because he's too much of a capitalist. So they needed Jacob Zuma. In fact, Jacob Zuma could have been second before Thabo Mbeki, but Thabo Mbeki, since it's Xhosa, and also Nelson Mandela is Xhosa, I think that was predestined that it would be Nelson Mandela and then Thabo Mbeki and then Jacob Zuma. Ramaphosa was meant to be the last guy. But look at it now. I don't think Ramaphosa is going to let go of power anytime soon. And by the way, happy birthday to the man. It is birthday today. Highlight him. I don't know how old he's turning, but this guy has been around for such a long time. But anyways, the reason Ramaphosa is so powerful is because of his mine unions. Man, if you own the minerals of the country, if you are the guy that can tell the people to put their tools down and the whole economy could collapse overnight, because that's what he did during apartheid, the 1980s, those final union strikes, it was Ramaphosa. So he made sure that obviously the mine workers put their tools down. So that kind of power, man, that's why even some Europeans, even in the DA, that's why there's a GNU, because there's only two people that actually did the government of national unity. It was Nelson Mandela, because Nelson Mandela, most politicians were actually listening to him, and now it's Ramaphosa who's doing it. Do you think Zuma would have done a government of national unity? Thabo Mbeki, I don't think they would have had the pull to actually pull that off, right? So, but anyways, yeah, it's Ramaphosa. There's nothing we can do to this man yet.